All amazing products originate from an idea, a vision. From early sketches to production documents, from concept to maintenance. The manufacturing process is like a well-oiled machine, where every cog must fit perfectly together to reach a successful result. The stakes are high when it comes to develop competitive products. With over 70 years in the business, NTI have built a sturdy foundation of experience. At the same time, our eyes have always been set to the future in order to guide you through the challenges and work methods of tomorrow. We are problem solvers with dedication and appreciation for your company that help you become even more efficient in your day-to-day operation. By analyzing your current situation, we can present an optimized work process and help you solidify and reach your own goals. We educate, coach, and assist you to implement improvements during the whole journey. Our strategists help you to elevate and streamline your work methods based on experience from real development projects. Together, we can create a satisfying work environment, higher profits, and better quality in your projects. NTI, your cog in the machinery.